Welcome back to the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel. Today we're going to be sharing the perfect duo for those super busy weeks when you need extra planning space and a timed schedule. And these two inserts make a perfect pair because the vertical week on 2 pages is all timed, so it really focuses on your schedule, and then adding in the half sheet gives you plenty of space to plan out extra notes and to-dos. So this is what it might look like in your planner, and you can definitely set up your planner by adding in one of these sheets between every single week, or you can just add them in when you need them. But it really gives you a lot of extra note space. You can write a to-do list, a shopping list. There's a small reference calendar down here, so you can kind of visually see where you are in the month, know any deadlines or upcoming appointments. You could also use it for future scheduling. And then the back of the half-page insert has 5 different task lists. The minimal design really allows you to do whatever you want with these. If you have a really busy work week, you could definitely section these out by day. You could also section them out by category, like personal, home, to-dos. But it's a really good option if you want to be able to view your week at a glance, have your schedule in front of you, but also have some extra space for planning. If you're not familiar with our hourly inserts, it's Monday through Sunday, 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. and there is a priority list over here on the left-hand side. And these are undated, so you don't have to use these every single week if you don't want to, but they're there when you need them. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and plan out my week and show you guys what it might look like if you wanted to use these as your weekly planning inserts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely check out the links below. If you want to see any other videos, insert bundles, or insert pairs, let us know down below too, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!